Well, welcome back to the channel, everybody. You're watching a Ritter Bit Will Do, and it is just an absolutely gorgeous day here out at Yukon Acres. And we're in the process of cleaning up the junk pile. There is a lot of scrap steel here, and maybe a few things that are worth saving. I really don't know, haven't been through it all. But we're in the process of picking it all up. We're using the Artillian Forks, and let's go take a look at some of this stuff. Oh my goodness. I think this is for horses. That's what I think this is. Wow, that's old. Cool. Super old. No idea. Some kind of electrical capacitor thing. I don't know. What in the world? Well, that looks like this is a clutch for a four-wheeler. Interesting. I think this was from the 335 Sportsman that we had. The 335 Sportsman, if you have one, it's not that good of a four-wheeler, is it? We were kind of disappointed with that. It was the only one we ever had to work on. Only four-wheeler that ever gave us a hard time. All the rest of them have been flawless. Just they worked like they're supposed to. Rim off of something. Electrical conduit. Interesting. Electrical junction box. Weird. Oh boy. There's no electricity out here. Just letting you know. More stuff. All right, we've got a precarious load here. Let's go move it. Guys, what is this thing called? You know, I know that horse or ox would get hooked up to this thing and pull whatever was attached to it. I don't know what it's called. I don't know if it's valuable. Do I save it? Do I sell it? Any advice is appreciated. So For now, I'm gonna leave it here. It's not gonna hurt to rust a little bit more. People like that fresh patina, right? We do have a barbecue grill. I think, I can't remember if I showed you guys when I moved that. I'm not sure. But anyway, I moved this. It's no good. It's all beat up. It's shot. And then I was telling you about a trailer house frame as well. And honestly, I can't remember if I videoed that, but here it is. Great big I-beam style trailer house hitch. You know, it's upside down right now, but here's the hitch, right? Okay. And some kind of appliance. I don't know what it is. I'm afraid to get into that because I think there might be mice and stuff in it, but styrofoam. We gotta. Oh, that looks familiar. That's Mom's old cooktop. So we'll get that recycled. Oh man, all right. Yep, that's totally familiar. That hey, this still works, by the way. The only reason my mom got a different one is because she wanted a flat top one, right? So anybody, if you're interested in this, it is for sale. In fact, it was in a garage sale at one time for $10, okay? So I'm gonna let it go at the low price of $5, all right? So if you're interested in the new cooktop, it's slightly used, but it'll probably still work because it worked at the time it was taken out. So $5, it's yours. Leave me your email in the comment. I'll get back to you. Or you know what? Just message me on Facebook. Message me on our Facebook group. A Ritter bit will do. There you go. We'll get you the cooktop, all right? It's a Whirlpool, okay? Top-notch quality. Works just fine. Hey, a momentous occasion. Look, 700 hours on the tractor. And apparently at every 100-hour interval, the service inspect light comes on. So I did a video on how to actually make that light go off. But I just changed fluids on this last summer, last spring, maybe the prior fall. I can't really remember. Anyway, it's good to go for another 100 hours at least. Maybe. Yeah, she's good to go. Have a look at this thing. Look at that. This is an old disc. Wow. Interesting. If any of you guys know anything about this disc, let me know in the comments. I don't know what to do with it. I'm kind of lost. I don't know. Should I scrap the whole thing? Should I sell it to some antique collector? Should I use it? I don't know. You tell me. It's old. It's about, I don't know, 7 feet wide, 8 feet wide. It's got a couple discs that are kind of beat up, such as this one. Wow, it still turns though. Look at that. It's not seized up. That's just crazy. So maybe it's worth saving. Maybe it's not. Let me know. Well, as I'm moving this thing, I noticed there is something broken. Yeah, that's busted up pretty good. And yeah. So we've got a broken piece. And I'm guessing that the dealership probably doesn't carry that part anymore. As far as using it goes, I think that's out of the question. I guess it's more, you know, if somebody wanted somebody wanted to put it in their yard as a yard ornament, maybe they could do that. But yeah, this broken piece here, you can see that's where the shaft would ride in. It's all busted up, so it ain't gonna work. We'll set it down, and you guys tell me, what should I do with it? Well, I'm kind of bummed, because that would have been fun to pull with the BX. Old versus new, right? All right, let's go pick up something else. Hey, gotta take the jacket off. There we go. Much better. I can see my muscles. Ow, that hurt. I need your advice again here. I've never been to a scrapyard before, so I don't know what's acceptable and what isn't. Are they going to accept this kind of rusty stuff? You know, sometime I'm going to get there, hopefully this summer, but this is a rusty tin, right? See that? Are they going to accept that, or are they going to turn me away because it's too rusty? You tell me. I don't know. Please. Well, that's about it for moving stuff for today. I might go pick up a few other things, but I'm sure you guys are getting bored of this video. So if it's worth it, you know, give me a like. I'd appreciate it. I want you to go check out some other channels, all right? So I'm going to name just some random channels. And there is a channel, it was called Ontario Homestead, but he changed his name to Ross on the Land, okay? Ross on the Land. Go check out his channel. Tell him I sent you. I would appreciate it. And then again, K&H Tractors, all right? Go check out K&H Tractors. And his name is Ben. He's got a great channel. Again, tell him I sent you. And until next time, everybody, keep on tractoring, and God bless. I can't forget this old tractor tire. My kids are going to love this thing. This will make a great tire swing, won't it?